Hello, my dear 6th standard students. We are going to look at the questions and answer from the lesson on the national symbols. Students, take your social science second term book, take civics, unit 1, lesson topic national symbols. First exercise. Choose the correct answer. The national song Vande Mataram was composed by Dash. A. Bengali Venkaya Binkali Venkaya. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. D. Gandhiji. Answer C. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Second, which is the national anthem of India? A. Janagana Mana. B. Vande Mataram. C. Amar Sonar Bengala. D. நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த. Answer A. Janagana Mana. Third question. Who wrote the most famous novel Anand Math? A. Akbar. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer C. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Fourth question. Dash birthday is celebrated as the International Day of Non-Violence. A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Subhash Chandra Bose. C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer A. Mahatma Gandhi. Fifth question. The colors of the Ashoka Chakra found in our national flag is dash. A. Sky blue. B. Navy blue. C. Blue. D. Green. Answer B. Navy blue. Sixth question. The first flag never flown after the independence is stored in dash. A. Chennai Fort Museum. B. Delhi Museum. C. Sarnath Museum. D. Calcutta Museum. Answer A. Chennai Fort Museum. Next, seventh question. The national anthem was written by dash. A. Devendranath Tagore. B. Bharatiyar. C. Rabindranath Tagore. D. Balagangadhar Tilak. Answer C. Rabindranath Tagore. Eighth question. The time taken to play the national anthem is dash. A. 50 seconds. B. 52 minutes. C. 52 seconds. D. 20 seconds. Answer B. 52 minutes. Minutes le seconds. C. 52 seconds. Ninth question. Vande Mataram was first sung by dash at the 1896 session of the National Congress. A. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. Sarojini Naidu. Answer B. Rabindranath Tagore. 10th. Dash hoist the flag on the Independence Day in Delhi. A. Prime Minister. B. The President. C. Vice Presidents. D. Any political leader. Answer A. The Prime Minister. Next, second, fill in the flanks. The national emblem was adopted from the Ashoka pillar of dash. Answer Saranath. Second, the national fruit of India is dash. Answer mango. Third question, the national bird of India is dash. Peacock. Answer. Fourth question, our national tree is the dash. Answer banyan tree. Fifth question, the flag which was flown in 1947 Independence Day was waved in dash. Answer Gudiyatham. Sixth question, the Indian national flag was designed by dash. Answer Bengali Vengaya. Seventh question, dash started the Saga era. Answer Kanishka. Eighth question, the longest river in India is dash. Ganges. Answer the Ganges. Ninth question. The Indian rupee symbol was designed by dash. Answer D. Udayakumar. 10th question. The chakra of the national flag has dash spokes. அசோக சக்கரம் எத்தனை ஆரங்களை உடையது? 24. 24 ஆரங்களை உடையது. Third question. Choose the correct answer. 1. The lion capital is now in the dash museum. Answer Saranath. Kolkata Saranath கொடுத்திருக்கு. Answer Saranath. Second question. The national anthem was adopted in dash 1950 or 1947. Answer 1950. Third question. Dash is declared as our national microorganism located Bacillus by Rhizobium. Answer Lactobacillus. Next, fill in the blanks. Saffron dash courage white dash. Answer honesty. Next, hearts dash energy pulse dash. Hard work. Third question. 1947 Independence Day. 1950 dash Republic Day. Fifth, choose the correct option. Rabindranath Tagore. A. National song. B. National flag. C. Physiacid. Astrophysicist. Answer A. Answer C. D A B C. D தான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு. நேஷனல் ஆந்தம் ரவீந்திரநாத் தாகூர் நேஷனல் ஆந்தம். பங்கிம் சந்திர சட்டர்ஜி நேஷனல் சாங். அடுத்து பெங்காலி வெங்கையா. ஆன்சர் B நேஷனல் பிளாக். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஃபோர்த் மெக்னட் ஷாக்கா. ஆன்சர் C astrophysicist. Next sixth match and choose the correct wrong pair. National reptile tiger, national aquatic animal Lactobacillus. Third national heritage animal king cobra, national microorganism dolphin. Answer national reptile king cobra, national aquatic animal dolphin, national heritage animal tiger. Fourth national microorganism Lactobacillus. Next 7 choose the wrong sentence. The ratio of our national flag length and breadth is 3:2. E. The chakra has 24 hooks. F. The chakra is sky blue. Two. The national flag designed by Bengali Venkaiah. G. The first ever flown back after the independence is stored in Calcutta Museum. H. The first national flag was waved in Kudiyattam. Answer the first ever flown flag after the independence is stored in Calcutta Museum. G the correct answer. Eighth, choose the correct sentence. A. August 15 is celebrated as the Independence Day. B. November 26 celebrated as the Republic Day. C. October 12 is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Answer A.
August 15 is celebrated as the Independence Day. Next, ninth, answer the following. What do the color is our national flag represent? Dear students, இதுவரைக்குள்ள கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சரை நீங்கள் ஆன்சரை பார்த்துட்டீங்க. அந்த ஆன்சரை நீங்கள் உங்கள் புக்கில் குறிச்சிருப்பீங்கன்னு நம்புகிறேன். அதை நீங்கள் 1 2 3 ரோமன் லெட்டர் 1 2 3 வரைக்கும் உள்ளது படித்து அதை உங்கள் வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் எழுதி ஃபோட்டோ எடுத்து அனுப்பிவிடுங்க. இத்துடன் இந்த பாடம் முடிந்தது.